Hello everybody, I'm Yasir. With reference to our discussion about coil tubing downhole tools, here we will discuss an incident of a connector failure while performing the surface pull test. By the way, in our one of the previous tutorials, number 119, we discussed a connector failure. That was also the external dimple connector, which was failed downhole due to applying excessive over pull. But this particular failure which we are discussing, it happened on the surface while we were performing the surface pull test. So to perform the end to lifting job, we make 2.5-inch external dimple connector on 2-inch CT string and started the pull test. All of a sudden, we observed that the connector is failed and the grub screw are broken. Here in this picture, you can see the broken grub screw. As we can see here, the internal surface of the connector is also damaged. There are the marks. You can see these marks inside the connector. For me, it was the first time that the connector failed at surface, especially due to the breaking of the grub screw. Yes, we have seen the connector just get slipped, but the grub screw fully broken. I saw the first time. So the lesson learned is that we should be very careful when we are performing this type of test to avoid any major accident, and also keep the control of the injector head, because during the pull test we have applied the force. So we should be monitor physically, and also the operator should be very vigilant that anytime this type of incident can happen. That's it. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.